Hello, my name is Taylor Weinrich, and today I'm going to be talking about project-based learning and the idea that I had for a project for 5th grade students. So this is going to be the subject of social studies, and the learning tool for the students is going to be to really create an idea on how to help out their community. So, in my project, I'll introduce the problem that littering causes and the responsibility that we all must have to pick up after our community and how important recycling is in that aspect. So, the project will consist of the students getting in groups and writing letters to the city council regarding citywide cleanup days and improving the care of the city by the students, kind of creating their own ideas on how to improve littering in the community as well. And the learning goal of this project is for the students to learn about the issues that littering causes and ways to help improve this problem in their community. So the goal is really that they're learning about this issue, but they're also putting a stop to it by writing to the city council and collaborating with each other to create an idea on how to improve the cleanliness of their community. So project-based learning is engaging for students because according to Teach Thought 2021, the student assumes an authentic role. Now this quote is important because in this type of learning, for the student to have this big role, to feel like they have the ability to kind of choose and navigate the way they learn subjects, it's really important. It helps them come up with their own ideas, which gives them a sense of self-confidence and kind of what they're passionate about, and increases cognition as well by the real-world experiences that come with project-based learning, like in my project, littering and recycling, and it's kind of a real-world issue that everyone is dealing with, no matter if you're a 5th grade student or if you're a 19-year-old college student. So it can help them be aware of the world around them as well and really kind of see what's going on as they're getting into this older age of being a 5th grader. Also, learning to use their voice and to work with their peers and communicating with their teacher helps them develop communication and collaboration skills. So that's really why it's engaging and how it increases cognition. So project-based learning unit challenges students on a lot of levels. One of the specific levels has to do with Bloom's taxonomy. So according to Ormrod 2018, Bloom's taxonomy consists of 6 cognitive processes varying in complexity that lessons might be designed to foster. So this specific quote explains the primary basis of Bloom's taxonomy. And another quote that I found, according to Teach Thought 2021, it says, project-based learning is often based on one driving question, an ongoing inquiry, discovery, and iteration. So this goes along with the style of learning in Bloom taxonomy from the quote above, where the categories go from the simplest to the most complex, while learning both involve this idea of having a series of cognitive ideas that challenge the student by giving them kind of this learning objective that you can set in the classroom to foster success. So I think the challenge of Bloom taxonomy goes along with project-based learning because they both have this level of like gradually getting to the end goal, but slowly doing it kind of in a way that gives the students an opportunity to choose how fast-paced it is. So project-based learning is important, and it's a viable option to support students because it gives them the chance to be in control. This can help them cultivate this sense of self-confidence in learning and give them a new overall sense of just self-worth in the classroom and being confident. It gives them a chance to work with their peers as well, which creates a healthy habit at a very young age to work with others and collaborate with them and being successful in that with their peers. So overall, project-based learning is a really good thing to incorporate in the classroom, and I think it should start being a lot more prevalent.